Hello and welcome. You are listening to Daily Easy English. In this lesson, you will hear slow and easy English. This lesson is made for beginners. Here is a small tip for you. Listen before you sleep. Night listening helps your mind relax. Do not hurry. Listen calmly and enjoy the lesson. Let's begin. Today, I want to talk about going to bed at night. At night, the day becomes quiet. The lights are soft. The house is calm. I finish my day. I feel tired but peaceful. I turn off my phone. I stop using screens. My eyes feel relaxed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth slowly. I change into comfortable clothes. My body feels ready to rest. I go to my bedroom. The room is quiet and warm. I turn off the lights. The room becomes dark. I lie down on the bed. The bed feels soft. I take a deep breath. I breathe in. I breathe out. I think about good things. I let go of stress. Sometimes I listen to soft English. It helps me feel calm. After a short time, I feel sleepy. My eyes close slowly. I fall asleep peacefully. Going to bed at night is important. Good sleep helps the body and the mind. This is how I go to bed at night. It is simple. It is calm. It helps me rest. Now, let's repeat some easy sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I go to bed at night. I go to bed at night. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I feel calm and sleepy. I feel calm and sleepy. I sleep well. I sleep well. Great job. Keep going. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. Try to listen to English every night, even for a few minutes. Subscribe for more slow and easy English lessons. See you in the next lesson.